Today on Happiest Camper, we are going to show you how to make your own reusable Swiffer dusters. Swiffer dusters are so handy to have around the house for easy cleaning and dusting, but it can get expensive buying the replacements. This simple sewing DIY will save you money and help keep your home looking great. Let's get started. First, you need to cut all the pieces of fabric that will be needed. You will need 2 of each size. You'll need 2 7x7-inch pieces, 2 6x7-inch pieces, 2 4x7-inch pieces, and 2 3x7-inch pieces. Fold a 7x7-inch piece in half lengthwise and mark the center of the fold to find the center. Then on each side of that center mark, measure out 3/4 of an inch and mark it. Do it at both ends and then make a line for those 3/4 marks. This is one sewing craft where it really does not matter if things are slightly off. The main thing to make sure you have right on is the 3/4 inch from center stitches, as this is where the duster handle will slide in. Lay the 7x7-inch pieces on top of each other with the right sides facing out. Clip or pin them together. Sew those 2 pieces together on each of those lines. Make sure to do a backstitch at the start and finish. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button. Lay a piece of the 7x7-inch pieces. Then lay a 6x7-inch on top of that one. Then lay a 4x7-inch on top of that one, making sure to line up that center line. Then the 3x7-inch piece down, make sure to keep everything centered. Last, lay the other 6x7-inch, 4x7-inch, and 3x7-inch. Clip or pin everything in place. Sew them all together by sewing down that center line. Do a backstitch at the start and finish. You can either eye the center line and sew, or make a line with the pen if you need to. The last thing you need to do to make this duster is to make the fringes. Use the scissors to cut the edges about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch apart and all the way to the stitching. Make sure you do not cut the stitching. Slide the cover onto the duster by placing the handle in the pieces with the 3/4 inch from center stitches. And you're good to go! We hope you enjoyed this reusable Swiffer duster tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more great sewing content. We have something for everyone, from brand new beginners to seasoned sewists. Check out all our other fun and easy-to-follow sewing videos and find all our step-by-step tutorials on our website. Thanks for watching.